Okay, where do we even start with this one? Actually, we can start with my hair, yeah. I'm getting a haircut tomorrow. Let's try to get a nice clean start. Yesterday I went to Mountain Creek and I got my ass kicked. First, my goal was for yesterday was to hit the gully, which is one of the biggest jumps there, probably the second biggest or so. First time I actually tried it, I sent it and I did it. I cleared it, jumped it, whatever. But I wasn't I wanted to do it again and try to get higher and faster. By me doing that, I ended up just starting to get sloppy and I just kept. Hold on, text message. I just started to get sloppy. I don't know what, actually I really don't know what happened because I hit it and I was so satisfied, but then I just wanted to hit it again and I never hit it again. I never landed it the entire night. Jumping jack was great. I at least landed it like 5 times. Solid good runs. And then these 2 jumps after jumping jack were a little sketchy, but I hit the knuckle of one and oh, that just hurt. It just shocks your whole body and that hurts. Tried a gully train and that was fun. KB sent it like Eddie the Bird or whatever that guy's name is. The guy who literally freaking flies. I forget. I think it's called Eddie the Flying Bird or Eddie the Eagle. KB literally looked like Eddie the Eagle when he flew over the gully. He sent it. He freaking flew. That was amazing. You could see it on the GoPro, but he kind of jumps and then the light glares his jacket, so you kind of can't see him anymore, but I'll put the clip in. So first I'm going to show you some of the good jumps, then I'll show you, try to get some of the gully train in there, and then I'll show you all my fails and getting my ass kicked at Mountain Creek, which hurts a lot.
Just took my
most of the runs I should have probably just stayed behind and just did my own thing instead of trying to do something. And for that, I'd like to say I'm sorry. Truly am sorry to the 3 individuals that I boarded with yesterday, and that I just won't happen again. So thank you guys so much for watching my painful experience yesterday, and yeah, it's just a lot of that's thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys made it this far, don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, bye.
Oh, KB.
I'm like, hey, what's up?